What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin. It's a little bit hot out here today, so I'm gonna grab a drink and then what should I get to drink? I'll just grab a night tea. Beautiful to get in and see some of these spots where you have views on views on views. Now, have a look at where I am today. Now, is that not the most beautiful view? Have a look at this place. Colors of the water, everything are so beautiful up here. You just, oh, it's incredible. It's days like this that I'm very fortunate to be living here in the south of France in the Mediterranean, where you get epic views every single day. One day I would like to have my lunch just up here on this house up here. Look at the balcony up there. It's a beautiful spot, but epic place to take a drive, you know, come out and do some really nice scenery. You got to really take it all in because it's the most spectacular view. It's the most epic conditions today. I have 32 degrees. The sun is shining. Really light clouds, nice little breeze, and amazing for people to see. I mean, look at all the boats in the harbor here, and this is just around the corner from Nice. Nice is over here, and on the other side of here is Monaco, just on the other side. But what a beautiful spot. I mean, look at the color of that water. Does it look any nicer than that? I really hope the camera can really do the justice. Well, guys, I'm gonna sit back, have a drink, maybe have some lunch, just enjoy my day and enjoy my views and be thankful for where I am. All right, guys, just made a sandwich because I was getting a little bit hungry. And yeah, I'm gonna have myself my lunch, enjoy some epic views today, and thanks for watching.